Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I want to do a advent calendar. I know, I'm late to the game. Everybody already posted those advent calendars everywhere. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, my travel Instagram, I've been away a lot. This month I went to Florida twice, to Savannah, Georgia, New Orleans for the first time. Love it. So because I was away, I didn't have the time to film, but here we are. Late, but here we are. So I saw a bunch of people posting Sephora advent calendars full of like free samples and some useless stuff like those telephone cord hair things. Just like, no, I don't want to do that. The MAC advent calendar was okay, but not okay because $195. So I decided to get something more attainable for my wallet and a bartending wage. I got the Makeup Revolution calendar. It was $42 before shipping. Not super heavy, but let's see if it's good. The numbers are all like mixed up, so that's gonna be fun to find them. Here is number one. Let's see. So number one is, if I can get it out. Okay, it's out. Is a baked highlighter. Oh, it's very pretty color. Oh, it's very pigmented. Day number two is down here. Oh wow, I'm impressed. So far, so good. Nameless shade. There's no name here. Oh, it's pretty shade. Look at this guy. Oh, it's very light. Now we're gonna go for number three. Number three is on the other side, right on top of it here. Oh man, another full size something, but it's going down. Oh, it looks like a eyeliner. It's real creamy, it's really nice. This first one, it was just one swatch. The second one was two swatches. And this one was several swatches. They all pigmented very well. I am not huge on pencils like that. It might not be the best item for me. Let's go to number four, right up here. What is this? Oh, it's a baking powder. Right here in the middle is door number five. You guys, I'm very pleased. For $42, amazing. And I can't take nothing out of here. Look at me. Hey! Oh, yay! This is an eye primer. I don't know why I never use a primer. I think I'm at door number six. Door number six is on the other side. This is a little booklet, so I just kind of like folded it so I don't have this huge thing ginormously occupying my whole life. So here's door number six. This is a tiny little brush. I apologize that I am not super great with brush shapes, but if you do know which brush this is, leave it in the comments. Door number seven. It is a clear lip gloss. Oh man. I love it. The one thing that I hate the most about lip glosses, like, you know, very glossy, heavy. This is super light. This is super good. My lips feel amazing. I don't feel like glued together. Wow, this is so much quality. Oh my god, I'm very, very impressed. Door number 8. Oh, I first thought that's what I thought it was. It's another little brush, and that's awesome because I've been like buying brushes like a crazy person. So this looks like a crease brush. I am terrible at brushes, so if you guys know what this brush is, leave it in the comments. Here's number 9, all the way up here. I don't know. Those look better. I don't know where I look. Do I look to the camera? Do I look at the monitor to see what it is? Another lipstick. This is another lipstick on the shade. We don't need to know. Who cares? This is like a little more pinkish. It's really pigmented. Number 10 is down here. Oh, I am assuming this is a mascara. No, this is a brow gel. Little bristles. Let's try. It's really nice and subtle. I really like it. Oh my god, I'm in love with this brand. I literally never had anything from this brand before, and this is like, I couldn't be happier. Even though this doesn't look like full size, please let me know if you already had this item, if this is a full size item or not. I still love it. I still am super glad I got it. I can feel it. It's like kind of like a gluish kind of thing. I can feel it dry a little bit on my skin. I am in love. This is awesome. Number 11 is down here. It's really large. I am hoping is like a blush or a bronzer. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. How am I gonna get this out? You guys, how do I get this out? Here. Yay! So this is the mini shadow palette. I'm gonna swatch all of them. We're gonna look at it together, but it looks like there's some shimmers, there's a couple of mattes, there's some metallics here. This is like the burgundy one. Gold is like a brownish matte. The black right here. We have the gray right in the middle. And then we have like a gray. And then we have the last one, which is like a lighter matte. It's metallic. That's partly for the eyebrow area, but these colors are very well pigmented. The second one is super pretty. It's very rosy pink. It's really cute. They're really difficult to come out, which is promising. Oh, we were on 11. Ooh. As always, I'm breaking stuff. We're at number 12 now. It's round. It might be a Via Rouge. There's nothing there. Where is it? Oh, here it is. It's just a mirror, a Makeup Revolution mirror. This is the very first disappointing item. I did not need a mirror. I have many mirrors. It's fine. It's cute. We'll take it. Number 13 is right here, a little tiny one. Hopefully it is a blush. Oh no, it's a bronzer. Oh my god. Alright. They're making me work for it. Bronzer. There's nothing more to it. Bronzer. Really light, really nice. I really like it. Bronzer. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. I am very, very happy. All of it. I am in love with this box. Number 15. Ah, alright. This is a pressed highlighter. I am going to glow forever. See how it goes. Ooh, this is wonderful. Rose gold. I like swatching this and waving my cheap $8 Casio watch to you guys. Number 16 now. Full size lip gloss. Nice and pinky. Also does not have a name. We don't need to know. I don't know what shade this is in. It just says lip gloss, but it's a nice little pinky-ish shade. It's very creamy. Nice. It's very shiny. Look at that. It reflects the light very well. Why am I not organized with this? For number 17. Oh, yay! Finally! We got a pressed blusher in pinkish. Number 18 is right here. Another pencil. So the other one was brownish. This one is black. Wow, it's very creamy. It does pigment very well. Going for number 19 now. Number 19 is right here. It's a liquid highlighter. Oh my god, this is beautiful. It looks like liquid gold. It's pretty amazing. Look at that. Oh my god, it looks surreal. It reflects the light amazing. I can't wait to wear this one. And I do not discriminate between powder highlights or liquid highlights or creamy highlights. Just let me glow. We are at number 20 now. Let's try to find this guy. It's right here. Another roundy. Oh, I don't want to break my nail. These round guys really make me work for my stuff. Get it out. This is pressed contour. Perfect. It's almost like it was made for me. I'm really impressed how these shades and everything work perfectly for my skin. I am very excited about using this. Number 21. Oh, it's up here. What can they possibly make that's round still? Oh, it's another highlighter. Oh my god. So this highlighter is a little pinky-ish. It's more like rose gold. This one is very powdery. It's more subtle, but it still reflects very nice the light. Number 22, right here. Oh, it's another brush. I have no idea what kind of brush is this. So it's a little longer brush. Leave it in the comments. I will in the end of the video put brush number 1, 2, and 3, so you guys can let me know which brush is what. We're almost done. Number 23. You guys, I skipped number 14. Number 14. It's another brush. This one, I think, eyeliner angled brush. Going back to our normal programming. Number 23. Another pencil, but this one is light brown pencil. Also very nice and creamy, very pigmented. It works just very nicely. Number 24. I am so done with stabbing my nails onto this thing. It hurts so bad. Ooh, call the fire department. This is a liquid lipstick, no shade name. Really, really red. And here's our last door. I said, I don't want to open it. Let me make sure. Yeah, for our last door. Oh my god, they did amazing on this last door. Holy moly, the full-size reloaded fire palette. Beautiful. They have metallics, they have mattes, they have everything you need. This is great. I want to swatch everything, so let's get this done. Ooh. Now we have this. Ooh, wow. Well folks, that was it. These are the 25 items in the Makeup Revolution calendar. I absolutely loved everything. Things that I don't regularly use came in, and then I'm gonna try them up. I've been researching a lot on YouTube on how to be better at makeup so I can get you guys better content. This video today taught me that swatching is not that easy. So yeah, this is going to be a learning curve. So I apologize in advance because I'm gonna be trying other ways to swatch. I'm gonna research on doing better swatches because clearly it didn't work as good. I don't think that the shades translated as great as they looked. They didn't translate in the camera as good as they looked on my person. So I'm going to research a little more on that. But I'm glad I did it. You know, I have to start from somewhere. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now let's go to the brushes really fast. Brush number 1. What is this? Let me know. Brush number 2. I think is a crease brush. What do you think? Brush number 3, I think it is eyeliner angle brush. What do you think? And the brush number 4, I have absolutely no idea what this is. Let me know down in the comments which one of these items do you like the best. I am amazed. I just cannot stop repeating that. I'm just amazed with these items. This is definitely worth it. I am getting another one next year as soon as it becomes available so I can make an earlier video for you guys. Post it in the comments what else you want to see in my channel. As you all know, I don't have a niche, so I can do whatever you guys want within YouTube community guidelines. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. If you're not new, thank you for coming back, and I am very happy and I'm very grateful that you guys keep coming back every week. I really do appreciate all your support. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I hope to still see you next Sunday. I post my videos every Sunday or Monday depending on my editing needs, and I will see you guys next week.